You're watching Vacation Minute by Explorer Vacations. As you stroll along the vibrant marina of Cabo San Lucas, you're walking through one of Mexico's most famous coastal destinations. Once a quiet fishing village at the southern tip of the Baja Peninsula, Cabo transformed during the mid-20th century into a world-renowned resort town known for sport fishing, luxury yachts, and stunning Pacific Ocean views. Today, the marina serves as the heart of the city, lined with waterfront restaurants, colorful shops, and tour boats heading toward the iconic El Arco rock formation, where the Pacific Ocean meets the Sea of Cortez. Along the promenade, you'll hear live music, spot pelicans gliding above the harbor, and see fishing charters bringing in their daily catch, a reminder that Cabo's fishing heritage still thrives today. Whether arriving by cruise ship or exploring on foot, the Cabo San Lucas Marina perfectly blends history, culture, and the relaxed energy of Baja California Sur. Thank you for exploring with Explorer Vacations. For travel ideas about Mexico and beyond, please visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.